So one of the things that you can do is share out your notes only with specific people. If you want to go ahead and do that, over here on the top for the particular note, you can click on share. Then over here, you can simply go ahead and choose an email address that you want to share the note with. So I'm just going to go around and say tutortubechannel2@gmail.com right here, just like this. So let's say I just want to share that particular note with this person. I can give the person full access or only comment access or only viewing access as well. So let's just go ahead and give them a viewing access right here. And then let me just go ahead and then invite this out. And now you can see that this particular note has now been shared with tutortubechannel2@gmail.com. And then once you do that, you can go around over here and you can see that this is what you have right here. So now in my other email, I have, like say, for example, it says TutorTube wants to work with you and then is telling you to accept the invite. So if I were to go ahead and click right here in my other account right here, just like this, then I will be able to go ahead and view that particular note. Let me just go ahead and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and verify with Google right here and sign in with my account right here using Google. So let's just go ahead and then give the permission for it. And once you do that, what happens is that I will be able to view the note now. So now, since I only have the view mode, I don't have an access to edit out the note. But this is how you can go ahead and share out notes with specific people using Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.